Are you looking for help to pass your electrical exam the first time? Electricalexam.ca's expert training with around-the-clock support has helped more than 95% of our students pass their electrical exam. Electricalexam.ca offers you simple and efficient teaching techniques. We will focus our full attention on helping you quickly absorb the information you need most to get your electrical license. We care about your success. We are available to answer questions 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. And for even more individual attention, you can sign up for our one-on-one expert tutoring. Save money by choosing Electricalexam.ca. If you are an IBEW member, you get $250 back. There is no need to spend money on additional study guides, books, or CDs, or just questions. We provide you with a high-quality advanced learning experience and the most up-to-date materials to help you succeed. Electricalexam.ca offers you unparalleled results with hundreds of students passing their exams. Whether you choose one-on-one tutoring, classes which include the online course, or the online course on its own, you will boost your chances for a bright future in the electrical field. We guarantee you will pass. For more information, call, text, or email us